you can get. Now call me. Anyone not ready for the boxing match. On the day. I don't have to just let me know. I'm ready for it. I don't care who. Top of the morning to you. Me say we day up on the goalie side. If you want to know where if you find me, shooting farm, I make them hold them ankle. Alright, well I'm talking again. Well go on. Think jiggy. There's I have some breakfast. That's egg plantain with Vienna sausage. I do have Frank's, but you know, we did open a sausage from yesterday, so I decided to use the leftovers. And then there's also lettuce in there. You know? And I'm having a cup of tea, man, as usual, cup of tea. And it's also a laundry day, so I'm washing some clothes. Well, the machine I wash some clothes, and I'm just chilling now. I think I'll go on the road in a little bit. Still fearful, I don't want to put too much pressure up on the car. It's a good thing I'll be like flat me a drive on, so not have to worry. Somebody said I gotta blow the head gasket. Bro, don't be spewing all that negativity, bro. I am worried about those things, so not lie. But you know, I gotta take a case and guide me towards my destination to do the things that I have to do, run the errands that I have to run, and come back home safe, right? Right. Yes, I have fed myself, giving thanks. I'm not hungry. You know, one of the things that kind of limit your creative process as a creator, and I'm sure other creators will agree, is sometimes not having the biggest budget. And I think it's a general thing where like the average person, most of the time them have ideas where, you know, bigger than what them bank account can handle. It's like you look for your bank account and say, yo, I plan to do this now. And your bank account say, hey my boss, how you gonna do that? With your help, G. Me? Wrong department, yeah? Yeah, oversized, can't do it. You have to put the resources somewhere else. You want to have a roof over your head? You want to still have light on them something? Food by the table? Yeah, you have to put that idea up on the back burner. And that can be a very frustrating thing. Now sometimes you find a little workaround, you know, and you do a low budget version. But where your mind state there, what you really want to create and where you know so the people them are going to enjoy, if you create it at the level there, you just stumped. Because the budget not did it. I try to work on a little things to see if I can, you know, get back to creating content or create some new content. Get some budget, some good budget, you see me? But me updating upon that. Supposed to have the meeting next week. So me make gonna know how that go. This I chat to now a while ago and forget to put fabric softener in my machine, so I have to go rinse again. My man come like fabric softener, I like to smell fabric softener. Hey people, make sure you not drink all the water and summer got it. So make sure you not drink water, you understand? Drink a lot of water, man. Wine palm people daughter, man. And when you drink water, man, it makes it harder, man. Like a lot of man. No, it's a fact. I'm drinking some right now. Water. Make your wine palm people daughter and makes it harder. I should be more responsible because there might be children watching. But I'm not a child. Children, if you're watching, make sure you watch with parental supervision, because when YouTube hacks me, when I upload the video and YouTube hacks me, is this video made for children? I said, no, man. Even though sometimes nothing in the way, you know, I go bother people, but them I go come with this bagger. Make sure you're following the PCCC. I mean, none of that. So no, you don't make the picture, no. Nobody no frowns for me. If when time I said, penis is a more suitable word, but penis doesn't rhyme with water, bro. Come on. When I know rhyming words. Penis does not rhyme with water. Come on, man. Long time I'm gonna give you a pro tip, Zine. Pro tip is when you wash and you put your fabric softener in there, maybe you put in a little compartment. But you know, so when you put it in there so and the machine goes up, you do it and by the time, you know, it really if you soak in your clothes, the machine spin and starts dry out. So when me do now, me like to put the fabric softener in your water, you understand? And make it sit down for like a 15 minutes. I like fabric softener, I'm not lying. I don't put a whole but I put in a little compartment with them have, so that when the water go through, you know, it run down on the clothes and all of that. And then after that now, I put some more in the water, you see me? Pause the machine, or if your machine stop, I just make it build back little for about like 15 minutes, and then I make it rinse and spin and do it I do. Come on, if it's soaking in the clothes. Hey man, madman, you know? Tell me I'm there a while ago and I say, why the hell the machine now spin? Only to remember that I put the fabric softener in there and I make it soak. madness. Madness in its purest form. So, I try to record my screen while I use the camera. Well, it seems to be working. But how? Niggas, just be quiet a little bit. Let me try and figure this out, man. And as you can see on screen, that's the timer for me to go and you know, do the start the machine again. So I'll just go in and I'll yeah. You know, you're a bumbo. Yeah, I do. Yo, isn't it weird like how I'm gonna be editing a vlog, right? And this clip is gonna be a part of that vlog that you're gonna be watching, that I'm gonna be editing. And no, you're not. Probably need to be okay. Hey, wanna see me as a figure? I try to figure out which song that I got me like. Or it's sound. I go search for it when me done. Yeah, we gonna get that. I couldn't finish my search. JPS, Techie Light. So my internet chip out. Good thing Sony Vegas have a feature like this, you know what I mean? So when it shut down abruptly sometime, you have a like a auto-save thing that it keeps doing, and then you can just restore from this. So make we see if it did save right up to the point where we did there. Then we can just go in and save as. Yeah, it looked like it was on point. Alright, cool. I see the Lenny Kravitz thing, but I'm not Lenny Kravitz, brother. This might be it. I got YouTube here now and see what I go on. Alright, so the John Holt song, it wasn't it. It wasn't it. Let me put in something different. I think I heard what he said, and he said all this late night talking. Here we go. Harry Styles, bro. Late night talking. Hey, me did I say to you, I say, I bet you say where me I search for. I know what the song name. Okay, we found it, guys. We found it. Fabric softener smells amazing. It dip on my hand, and I think it's coming out the clothes. And it just, I'm gonna show you one of me use. I'm boss, because I don't know the style, I don't know the style. You see me? Down it. It smells exquisite. 2 veces más aroma. Protege de malos olores. Libre. Enguaje. You know what I think about a while ago is if, like, why if, you know, some companies come across, because you see the American YouTubers, they do it all the time, you know? They have this boxing match and them something, you know? Come out and, you know, have a good time, and they, I guess they make money from it too also, and people can watch it with a pay-per-view type thing. I wonder if, you know, I've like the company them come across in Jamaica and, you know, make a little social media personality boxing match. No, who said so? Who said so, bro? No, who said something? No, come on. Think what I do it, you know. Come from my big, you know, Fluid Digital, Ray and nephew, you know, national. All of the big companies in Jamaica. You not even have to be big too, you know. Like if you have some small companies out there who are willing to put forward some money, set up something like this. You think with that? When I depend on that, you know, have a big fight, and then you have smaller fights, of course. Trained for like 3 months. And I said, Creed 4? Creed 4, yeah man, Creed 4. And just go out there and put on a good show. We know I said the whole away bad for the comedy thing. But outside of comedy, what else can we do? What other skills do we have, you know? What other skills do we have, you know? Keep the guard up. Take the chip down. Hey, wait. Oh. Huh? Yeah. Look like a boxer, no true. I never boxed a day in my life. Woo! If I had the money, I would definitely just do something like this out of my own pocket, but I don't. All that big company them out there, wham! Social media, personality, boxing match where we train for 3 months. And we go in that ring, and we find somebody a foreign we can fly in for the event, you know? Then pay per view and watch it and get a good show. But them on that, you know? Yeah man, I call them out, man. Where them boys there? On the dep on ready, man. But down for the boxing, you know? Think that joke thing, no, what really there, man? Hey, maybe we just play some basketball. But I think the boxing thing there would really be entertaining. I'm down for it still. Beard that drip. I look thick. I'm ready for it, you know. Come me back talk about boxing, I'm wearing glasses. How the hell me have a box? Can't sooner. I get knocked out easy. That's all I think. I don't blood think. That's all I think. Then I bathroom a bit. Let me just go in there, flick on the shower and you know, soak, wet up myself. Turn off the shower and I say, oh, now why the hell me still I hear water running sounds? Check it out. Rain no come down, brother. I wait till you close, you know, say close them the dry though. And I say after I come out of the bathroom, I go take them up. So you go yeah man. We'll take away the positive from this, which is there's not as much dust. Now it's gonna kill the dust, so that's what we're taking away from this. Hydrostar works when you see the rain fall. The thing's overall. I was a bit hungry. And I'm not ready for cook it. Even though around them time I usually start. I have like Momax. You don't know the thing of them say Oreo milk's favorite cookie. Like that. Momax work just as good. The milk is very accepting of the Momax. So Oreo will get. Hey. I know I said I was supposed to go on the road and run some errands, but nah, brother. I think I'll leave it for another day when I have more things to do. Maybe tomorrow or probably Friday. Just kill a lot of birds with one stone. Seeing them I really want to put the car under too much stress. Maybe like in the next hour, 2 hours maybe. Whip up one of my little fast dinner then, isn't it? Probably showing that. Alright people, so what we have going on right now, we got some water boiling. And we're gonna put in our ramen noodles. I mean really and truly, if you're doing this for yourself, you can use one pack, you know, but because I'm a man and I eat enough. Why me if you know what? I don't care. I'm gonna go in with 2, you see me? So you know, 3 minutes for your ramen to cook. In the meantime, when you see what I go on there, so we got some sweet pepper, carrots, and this about half of 1 tomato. And we got some scotch bonnet. Dice up, ready to go. When the cooking show them, they say, in the interest of time, we went ahead and prepared. So I have some egg. Basically the same thing what they did on my sandwich from this morning. Some egg. And some more leftover sausage. Don't worry, this is the last of the leftover sausage. We just scramble that up together and we're waiting to put it into our thing. What you will also need, you know if you can read Chinese, some oyster sauce. You know, and everybody have oyster sauce. This had it cost me like 7 bills to get and it's a big bottle. Compared to the one that I usually buy, this is a real deal. It's a bargain, I'm telling you. And you will also need some dark soy sauce. From the original recipe, them say you need like light soy sauce too, but I don't really use it now because I have none. And I realize it don't really matter. I'm going to put the link in the description for the original recipe, the simple format. It has been 3 minutes, so we turn off this. Actually, we're not turn it off, we turn it down. Because we have to put the frying pot over this one now so that it go and get hot. We're going to strain off this. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Boom, frying pot. The frying pot, we're frying the egg in earlier, you know, so it just dead there already. To get the job done. So we'll make that go and heat up. All I want to do in the meantime, after you strain off, like I said, the original recipe called for 2 tablespoons of this, but sometimes I just use 1. Depending on the amount of noodles, we might use 2. So I think 2 may I go in with. So 2 tablespoons of the oyster sauce. Yeah, you know some oyster sauce done? John, just stir around this into the. And I say if you do it, you know, I just do it my way, you understand? You can do it however you see fit. Usually them say, you know, you throw in a pot. So when the pot get hot now, we did throw too much oil in a pot earlier for fried egg. So we did throw off back some. And they say it's like a tablespoon worth of oil to 2. Maybe 3 tablespoons, I don't remember. But yeah, just know say you have to grease the pot. Yeah man, I think that's enough oil man, yes. And them say while you do that now you want to turn it off, but me not turn it off, I turn it down. The thing you know. Yeah. Yeah. I go in with the thigh fat. I use your discretion. I go in with 1 tablespoon, maybe half, then circle back with some more. Alright, so boom. Put on the soy sauce. Really and truly, I think peanut oil or sesame seed oil they're supposed to use. You know? To give it a nice little flavor, but now the sesame seed oil, brother. And look over there, boof. These babies right here, you know what I'm saying? All these beauties right here, we go in with them. But like, okay, when you turn off the fire, then they're not gonna cook. But that I think we don't want them get cooked out to nothing. So that when you eat it, you have a little crunch. You understand? So when we do now, we just mix this in. I remember say the pot's still hot, you know. The pot's still hot and all of them. So we just mix it in. Mix it all in. And then what we do now, I made a fried rice version to this, you know. I showed a picture of it, you see me? I make a fried rice version of it. And it was delicious. Now when they did have in chicken, same type of setting egg and all them something there. Never have no sausage in there. That's it, you know, people, we're done. I eat that. Hey, me have some sesame seeds, so I think they expire, but don't follow me. That's all I have to say. I'll just sprinkle that on. The phone camera now do justice, so I can show you with a big camera now. See the people? That is it, man. That is it. Look at the beauty. What I do now, I just cover it and make it sit down for like 15 minutes. And then that just, the heat and everything, steam the vegetable, them, you know, the little seasoning thing, them carrot and all them something, steam that. And then it have a nice little crunch and it cook in a way. Yeah, good to go. And you see the lid all, you know, get steam up. And that's dinner. And from pot to plate. I'm gonna have my dinner right now. Thank you for spending the day with me. I appreciate it. I taste a little bit of food from the party. I left some. I think it's gonna get knocked. I was trying to save it for tomorrow. I don't know. Get a little bit of everything, you know? Now you're the crunching. That's the crunch I told you about. You don't cook down everything too much, so you can still get a little. Anyways. I'm out. Oh, and for the record, fucking delicious. Here? Money, I do you talking now? If you can, try it, you know? I get sweetness, all type of flavors, bro. Yeah, all type.